Okay, so let's go back. Where was I? Okay, creating the button, compiling, and then plug has no member name text. Really? Yes, of course it doesn't. It has to be the button. Like that. Let's compile again. Okay, it's compiling. So let's try to this struct has changed the plug struct, so the hot reload doesn't work. We have to compile from the beginning. Okay, it didn't work at all, which is weird. Which is really, 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 really weird. Really weird. And why is the color black? The color of the button is black. Why is that? We have so many questions. We are initializing the button. We have where is the header file? We have the button apply. And in MyGUI, we have the button here, position. Yes. The button text, yes, we do have, it's working, apply. And text color is black. Yes, the color is correct, but the background color is not correct. The background color is black. And why it's black? The background color, it's in the drawing of the button, which is here. When we draw the rectangle here. So if it's rovered, oh, it's equals to the text color. This is wrong. This should be light gray, or I don't know. Let's put light gray. Light gray. Let's compile. Yes. Okay. So I'm impressed because it compiled even without I'm telling to it to use RayMath, because here I added RayMath and it is compiling. It's compiling. No errors. You see, I'm saying, okay, because, well, I'm not sure. Lib, but there's no lib math. I think this already implements RayMath as well. It's all together. I'm not sure. We can test it. Let's test it like this. On the init, I will create two vectors. A, which will be 1 and 2. And I'll create a vector B, which will be 2 and 1. and I will print, I will create another vector C with their sum, which is vector add vector add A, B. And the value for this will be 3 for each one. Oh my god. Trace log info. This will be f, the ff, x and y, c dot x and c dot y, like that. So we should see this. This will be v2 sum. So let's compile. Let's run it here. Yes, it's working. So it's fine, but this is not fine. Okay, we fixed the button color, but not its position. So let's think what is happening here. You see, I'm telling the parent position equals the container position, which is correct. The parent is the container. But the button has to have a parent, and I didn't tell here. So I just need to tell, like I did here. So plug button parent equals, it equals that the container, right? The container plug debug menu, like so. So now the magic might happen. Yes. That's really nice. So I just need to make it prettier, but I won't do it right now. I will just do what I want to do, which is put in a number here, which will be the cell size, the grid size, the cell size. Then it will behave accordingly. That's nice. So we need to go to plug implementation, which is the C file. In the update function, here we are checking if the button is pressed. If it's pressed, we do something. So if it's pressed, we take the value of the text box, which would be a string. This is the cells, it will be the cell size, which is txt cell size text, right? Then we convert it to integer. Maybe we can do something like this, and this will be integer. And I think this returns null, not null, but a negative number or something when it's not successful. Don't remember. Zero on error. Okay. but cell size will never be 0, right? So it's fine, I guess. So if cell, so we just have to, we just get this value if it's different than 0. So if this is 0, then this will be we won't execute anything. It's as the button would never be pressed. So how it's a smart way of doing that? Maybe if this is not 0, you continue, right? Yeah, so I think we can do like this, and if cell size greater than 0, then we do what we want. It's ugly. We have two ifs here. Never mind, whatever. So now we have cell size. Then we say that how do you call it? We draw the grid all the time, every frame. And cell size, plug cell size is a state variable. Okay, this is nice. So maybe we just say plug, which we have access to here, cell size equals cell size. I'm sure there's a shorter way of doing this. Let's just try it like that right now. So, but for this to work, we have to first fix the behavior of the text box, which is simple because it's just, we just have to allot some memory here. Plug. This will be text cell size dot text equals to, let's allocate to I mean it's 3 digits at maximum, maybe 4, let's put 5, like bytes, 5 characters, and that's it. It should be it, I hope. Because in the other example where the text box is working, we actually can see that there you are allocating some memory, but then we are storing some value already. So maybe, yeah, maybe we just, for the initialization, we just put the plug cell size. Why not? Right? Makes sense. So just do this. Printf. And that's it. And I think I have to call, yeah, stdio is already here. Now everything should be working after the compilation errors. So what is it? Okay, yeah, of course. We have to tell that this is an integer. And yeah, so to call a to I, what do we need? We need stdlib. So include stdlib. That's it. So maybe I make, what else? Undeclared. Yeah, because it's not that, is plug that and this. Okay, so let's see. It didn't appear the number here, the current cell size. So oh, it's all over the place. Oh, it's working, but the number is not showing. I put 12. I will put 50. That's nice. But I need this to be shown. I need this text to be shown here. It's working. You see? I put 100. Oops, sorry. 100 and show grid coordinates. That's really nice, but yeah, it's almost there. It's almost there. Yeah, I just have to pass text column black. Oh no, for the text, yeah, like this. Text size, text color. Black. And no. Why not? Let's go to the text drawing. Let's go to here. Where is text box here? Yeah, you see text color. Here's the place where the text is drawn. If I hard code this to black, oops, sorry. Black. And I'll compile. Hot reload. Yes, now it's working. But 50. But why though? Something is overwriting the color, the TB text color. I will go back. I will compile again. I will run it again. And now it's working. Maybe I forgot to save. 15. 69. Nice. That's really nice. 6 pixels. And I put 0, nothing happens. Put 1, it's really small. I put 2, yes. I'm happy with it. It's really silly, but I'm happy with it. Maybe I can do a slide bar and it will be updated live, you know. I increase, the grid increases. I decrease, the grid decreases. Live, I don't have to click on apply. But this is a topic for other stream, so we did it. Maybe the next one we can work on the looks of it. It's a little bit ugly. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you. Bye.